In 1999, a new painkiller entered the market with massive expectations. It was called Vioxx, a selective COX-2 inhibitor designed to relieve pain without causing the stomach ulcers linked to traditional NSAIDs. Doctors prescribed it widely for arthritis and chronic pain. Within a few years, Vioxx became a blockbuster drug, generating billions in annual sales. But behind its success, a serious safety concern was emerging. Vioxx worked by selectively blocking the COX-2 enzyme responsible for inflammation. However, this selectivity also reduced protective prostacyclin levels in blood vessels while leaving platelet activity relatively unopposed. The result, an increased tendency for blood clot formation. In 2000, early clinical data from the Vigor trial suggested a higher rate of heart attacks in patients taking Vioxx compared to naproxen. Debate followed: was Vioxx increasing cardiovascular risk or was naproxen protective? The turning point came in 2004. A large long-term study called APPROVE revealed a significantly increased risk of heart attack and stroke in patients using Vioxx for more than 18 months. Soon after, the manufacturer voluntarily withdrew the drug worldwide. By that time, millions of patients had taken it. Estimates suggest that tens of thousands of cardiovascular events may have been associated with its use. The Vioxx case became one of the largest pharmaceutical controversies in history. It triggered lawsuits, congressional hearings, and intense scrutiny of drug safety monitoring systems. It also strengthened post-marketing surveillance and transparency requirements in regulatory science. Vioxx was effective for pain relief. But when evidence showed that the cardiovascular risks outweighed its benefits, it was removed from the market. The story of Vioxx reminds us of a critical lesson: drug approval is not the end of evaluation. Continuous monitoring is essential because patient safety must always come before profit.